Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't run PowerShell script in Windows 11. First method is run as administrator. Second method is set execution policy to unrestricted. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Create new key named as PowerShell. Create new dword 32-bit value named as enable scripts, change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.